Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, we are going to be learning how to share screen in Zoom Workplace. To share your screen in Zoom, open the Zoom application on your device. From the homepage of Zoom, go ahead and start or join a meeting. After you've started your meeting, go to the bottom of the screen and look for the share button and tap on it. Now in this pop-up, click on Screen. Now go ahead and tap on Start Broadcast. And then you will be sharing your screen along with your device's audio. If you want to turn off the audio, you can toggle off the button right next to Share Device Audio. And that way, you will be able to share your screen to your participants on Zoom. To stop sharing, tap on the Stop Share button at the bottom, and that is how you easily do it. Screen sharing lets you present slides, show videos, or give tutorials in real time, which is perfect for work, class, or fun. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more Zoom tutorials. I'll be back in the next video. Stay tuned. Till then.